Wagwan brother, YouTube cribs. Why you got so much man next to my yard as well? Black, don't even come next to my yard. Move! Nah, just kidding, guys. Come true. Just kidding, my people. But if you step out of line, it's gonna get peaked. Welcome to the house where nothing works properly, aka Jay Wise's house. Yeah? So we've got a kitchen here, we've got sort of a living room here, and we've got a dining room in the corner. Yeah? And there's a secret passage between all three rooms. Come true to the kitchen. This is my favourite room in the house, yeah? This is the room where I like to do all my cleaning, yeah? We've got a washing machine here. Not that I know how to use it though, yeah? I don't know how to use no washing machine, yeah? Got the boiler here. That boiler is like pretty much always on constant, yeah? So the heat is always running in the yard. Got a couple holes in the floor here too. Yeah? Don't watch that though, innit? This house is going to be refurbished soon, yeah? So this is like my favourite cupboard in the yard as well, innit? Yeah? I've got bare fucking cleaning products in it. Like, I think I've got a problem, yeah? Every time I go to the shop, I feel like I need to buy cleaning products. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm obsessed with cleaning, yeah? You've got the kettle. This is where I make all my cups of tea, yeah? Got the hob, yeah? This hob's a special hob. Yeah? Only 3 out of the 4 zones actually work. See the thing here? This is the only one that I would attempt to touch. With confidence, yeah? The rest of them, vinegar. Yeah? This ain't for chips. Yeah, I'm a Jamaican. Yeah. We wash our chicken and other meats with vinegar. I don't know about other nations. Yeah. You see in my mom's house, we got stacks and stacks and stacks of vinegar. Yeah. People probably think it's a Ras Clark fish and chip shop. This is vital for cleaning chicken. Yeah. Obviously, tea bags. Yeah, man got bare tea bags. Like, I'm a serious tea drinker. Yeah. We got cereal that's been in there for about 2 years or something. Yeah. Popcorn, yeah. Cupboard with hardly any kitchenware in there. Yeah. Well, I don't have no guests. I don't have no friends, so why do I need all that stuff? Well, yeah. 1 glass is enough, no? Got the fridge. Yeah. Pepsi. Milk that's almost gone off. 1 bottle of water. Some food, and some crumbs here as well. Actually, you know what, I might have to go clean up this fridge right now. Yeah, let me go and draw for the machine. One sec, let me draw for the machine. Clean out the machine! And make sure the place is clean, man. This is the face of a complete psycho. It's a freezer. Got a bag of ready meals in there. I can even open up the drawer. So you know the thing needs defrosting. I need like a hammer and cold chisel or something like that. Yeah? Chicken tikka masala. Yeah. When I'm here on my own, eat baddies, yeah? I ain't got no one to cook for me. Right, more chicken tikka masala. It's a Jay Wise staple, yeah? Next room. Come true to the dining room. This is my dining room, aka my recording studio. When I'm in Northampton, this is where I record all my videos, yeah? There's my laundry here too. This is the garden view. Come see my beautiful garden. You can't go outside right now, not because it's raining, because the door is fucked, yeah? I can't open up that door from the inside and lock it. I have to lock it from the outside and then walk around back into the house. Yeah? So I'll show you the garden a little bit later. This is my living room, aka my laundry room. Yeah? There ain't no sofas here. Why don't I need sofas? I don't have any friends who come around. Yeah? So just do my laundry here, do my ironing here. Should I say someone does my ironing for me?
Stop it, I'm not wearing makeup, Jay.
So my girl said to me, Jay, can I be in your video next time I come to your house? Oh, you're in my video, alright? You're in my video, alright? Show you something. Whoa. Ooh. Well, anyway, I wasn't supposed to show you that, but yeah. The good thing about double glazing is that when one side breaks, the other side's still intact. Yeah? So this broke about 2 years ago. I was trying to install a sash window jammer because the windows do not lock. Yeah? And I ended up drilling through it and cracking the glass. And that was about 2 years ago, and I still ain't fixed it until now. Right, let's make our way upstairs now. Yeah, the suitcase upstairs. A lot of work to be doing in this house, you know. See this here? This is the rat stick. Anytime I come to this house after being away for a few weeks, I prepare myself to see a rat. Because I had a rat problem in this house. I found a dead rat in my living room one time. So every time I come in, I'm paranoid. This here, this is the master bedroom. Yeah. But before we go inside, let me just show you something. Yeah. Most people in most normal houses have door handles. I have no door handle. So this is how I get in and out of the room. Magic, isn't it? Got the TV set up there. This is where all the magic happens. You know what? Got a beautiful view outside. Let's bust the window and take a look outside. Good thing about having a fucking massive hole in your fence means you don't need to enter the garden gate. Broken glass. There's lots of improvements I need to do to this room here. Like this socket is not fixed properly. Yeah? We're going to attempt to fix it now. We're going to do it live. Yeah? Before you attempt any electrical work, don't. Consult a fully qualified electrician first. Right, let's see if I still know what I'm doing, yeah? Good as new. Shh! Be quiet. This is the rat room. Yeah. I don't like going in this room. Yeah. I killed a rat in a rat trap once. I don't like this room. Yeah. Let's take a quick peek in this room. Yeah. See that stain over there? That's where a rat died. Yeah. That's why there's that black mark on the floor. The bathroom. Yeah. Oh. See, I don't like to touch the bottom of the pool pools because they're usually dirty, and the people who lived in there before, I think they used to piss without washing their hands. So whenever I come into the bathroom, I pull the pool pool from the top. Bit of like an OCD thing I got, yeah. This is basically where I wash. Yeah. It looks like a nice shower, but when you're having a wash, the water fluctuates between hot and cold every 2 minutes. Yeah, so you'll be in there having a nice shower. Yeah. See these shower hose? I bought it for £30. I told the guy in the wholesaler, when I'm moving house, I'm taking the shower hose with me. £30. You know what happened? When you get the metal shower hoses, they kept on breaking, so I thought, you know what, I'll just spend the money, and it's better last. Right. With most people's toilets, they have like a normal push button. Well, mine broke, so in order for me to flush the toilet, I realised it's still flushing. That's it. So. Last room, come true. Welcome to Dila Junk Room. This is basically like my walk-in wardrobe. This is where when I come out the shower, I get ready. Yeah? Got all my jackets in there, got all my clothes in there. Yeah? Take a look in the drawer. So I've got all the white t-shirts. I don't know how to fold these up. My girlfriend folds them up for me. Got all the black t-shirts here. All the socks there. Yeah. I don't even know what's in this drawer, but yeah, I mean, box or something like that. See how nice and neat it is? I didn't fold up none of this stuff. That is not my handbag library, it's someone else's. This is the JY's wardrobe, yeah? 1 JY's jacket. 2 JY's jackets. 3 JY's jackets. 4 JY's jackets. 5 JY's jackets. 6 JY's jackets. 7 JY's jackets. 7 JY's jackets. I bought them like they were running out of stock. What are you waiting for? Clear out there. I want everything folded up neatly in the wardrobe like you done in the other one. Yeah? Don't worry guys, I won't need to clean these up. Someone else will. So what we have here is a house where nothing works properly. It's on the market for £160,000 if anyone wants to buy. It's in a nice, desirable area in the middle of nowhere. If you want to buy the property, comment box below. But for now, Get the fuck out. One last thing before the DVD done. Hold on, let me zip up my JY jacket first. Let me zip up the thing there first, because you know what time it is when I got the JY jacket on, innit? Time for some